Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's the Jet, and I'm here to provide you with some information in case you're having trouble with your corrupted files. Because it seems like a lot of players are, and it seems like they can't load their MyCareer build, and I'm pretty sure it's frustrating because a lot of us bought this game, and we're not getting to play it. A lot of us spend $60 on this. Some even spend even more money, and they just can't seem to access their player. But I'm here to tell you that there's a solution, there's a fix, and all you really have to do is you have to contact 2K. You have to email 2K, and you have to let them know that your file's corrupted, and they're gonna ask you to make a video to provide them proof that your MyCareer is corrupted. So basically, to get you started, they're gonna ask you questions like, when was the last time you played your MyCareer build? When was the last time? Like, when did you make it? Like, things like that. That, in my opinion, I don't think that information is necessary. But I mean, I can understand. Maybe they're just trying to narrow it down from them making a mistake, and that's fine. But they're basically gonna ask you, questions like that, and they're gonna ask you, what's your MyPlayer build? What's his height? What's his weight? They might not ask you for his wingspan, but you can give them your wingspan if you don't want them to make a mistake, because I'm pretty sure it's possible. But I don't see why it would be possible, because they have the files with them. But if you want to eliminate that, then just give them your wingspan. And if you don't know what your wingspan is, if you don't know what your height is, if you don't know what your weight is, all you really have to do is go to your MyCareer, and you're going to see that you can go to the builds that you made before. And all you have to do is click edit build, and you can go through the information of your player. You can see his height, you can see his weight, you can see his wingspan, you can see the attributes you put him on, just all that. You can get any information as long as you go to edit build. And once you have the information of your MyPlayer, you're basically gonna do what you're gonna do is you want to stay ahead of the conversation. Because if 2K keeps contacting you, they're gonna keep asking you questions, and they're just gonna keep emailing you, and it's just, you're just gonna go around in circles. So you should just have the information ready, and you should just eliminate all that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to make a clone build. You basically have to make this clone build exactly the way your MyCareer player, the one that got corrupted, you just basically got to make it exactly the same. And once you do that, you're going to tell them that the build that was corrupted is on slot so-and-so. So say your corrupted file is on slot 3, then you tell them, hey, 2K, my MyCareer file is on slot 3. And you tell them which one is going to be your clone build, on what slot is it going to be on. Because they're basically going to copy and paste your corrupted file into your clone build. They're gonna just copy and paste it. The only thing is that your MyCareer progress is not going to save. Your animations, your gear, all that is going to be passed on, because those are things that you already have. But your MyCareer, you will not be able to get that back. Unfortunately, it sucks, because a lot of us play MyCareer. I'm pretty sure a lot of people, they play the part too. They go to play with other people, but I'm pretty sure there's a high percentage of people that play MyCareer. But unfortunately, you just won't be able to get that back, and at least you'll be able to get your build back, and all that hard work that you did to grind your player, it won't go to waste. So what's going to happen is that they're going to ask you to make a video. And you can make a video with your phone, whatever you have. I'm pretty sure it would be easier if you're doing it on a device like a tablet or a phone. But what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna upload this video to YouTube in order for you to get a link. Because if you try to send them the file through email, it's gonna be too big. It's not gonna be able to go through. They're not gonna be able to send it. So just upload a video to YouTube and grab that link and just send them that link. So you're gonna send them the link. You're gonna send them your MyPlayer build. You're gonna send them the height. You're gonna send them the weight, and it's optional if you want to put them the wingspan. Give them the wingspan if you want to make sure that they get everything right. But they should, because like I said, they have your files already. So when you make the video, what you're gonna want to do is, what they're asking you to do is go to your My Team. They want you to go to your My Team for some reason. I don't know. Maybe they just want to see if you're not playing them fools. They just want you to go to your My Team and they want to see your gamer tag. Once you go to your My Team, you don't even have to do anything. You could just back out of your My Team, and then from there, you just have to show them that some of your builds work, and obviously the one that's corrupted, you just gotta show them that it doesn't work. You can start with either or. It doesn't really matter. If you decide to start off with the builds that work, just click the build. It's gonna load in. They want to see that it's loading in, and then you go to the part of the section where it gives you your MyPlayer build. It tells you like your weight, your height, and then you just gotta just stand on that screen for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and they're gonna see that build is working and which build is it, and then you just gotta back out. But you have to click every single build that works. I don't know why they want you to click every single build that works, but I mean, just do it. And if you choose to click the corrupted file at the end, which obviously is not gonna load, but that's all they want to see. They just want to see that your player doesn't load, and it's gonna dash you back to the main screen of Xbox. So basically once you do that, you're done with the video. Like I said, just grab that link, upload it to YouTube, grab that link, and you should be fine. Like I said too, make sure that you tell them what slot is your MyCareer corrupted file on, and tell them what slot is your clone build, because they're basically, like I said, they're gonna copy and paste it to your clone build. Once that's said and done, they're gonna email you and they're gonna tell you that your build is it's been recreated. And yeah, guys, you guys are basically gonna be able to have your build back, and that's great news. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.